Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today because I got a message through my email. Because you can't just on YouTube anymore. We can't just direct message. You have to email somebody now. So I put my email down the bottom, and somebody had contacted me, and wanted to tell me they wanted to send me something. So Delia Rawlings contacted me, and she's one of my subscribers, and she heard what I had mentioned on one of my YouTube videos, which is a Tuesday morning video, and I was saying, dang, I was trying to find some of the masculine Richard Gere stamps and die sets, and a couple of ones that I was looking for, and she inboxed me and said, can I send them to you? And so I said, sure. Oh my God, you found them, great. And I said, how much? She's like, no, I just want to bless you with them. I was like, are you sure? She's like, yeah. And so guess what? She's a woman of her word, and she did. I mean, she actually sent them to me, and I thought it was so great. So I'm going to show you what she sent me. And she actually sent me an extra one. And I haven't read this yet. I'm just pulling it out right now, so I haven't seen anything. Read my note real quick. You got a pretty handwriting. I can read it. Mine, on the other hand, is a whole nother story. She said, these are the stamps and die sets I got for you, and I found another one and thought you might like it as well. Thank you for all of your videos. I know the work that goes into them. I hope that these will bless you in some small way in His grace. Delia Rawlings. Well, Delia, you blessed me. Thank you so much. That was so kind of you, and trust me, I greatly appreciate it. So, I had wanted the footprints. I'm cutting this light out. Sorry. I have mentioned in one of my Tuesday morning that I went there looking for this one, which is RG Days Shoe In is what it's called. And it says, stepping out, the best time for new beginnings is now. You're a shoe in and walk the walk. And so I thought in my mind so many different things that you can do with that die set. Not just, sending it to a male friend, but also to me is a Christian stuff in there, walking the walk and stepping out of faith. New beginnings. I just saw this on so many different ways that you could do this. Fashion. So just a lot of different things. So I was excited when she told me that she had it, and she wanted to send that to me. And then she listened to my video because she heard me say both of these, and I said I was looking for this one too. And this is just a note. This is the Noteworthy collection by him called Hello Note. It says, miss you, I love you, hello. And this has the envelope. And then you can just stamp it, which I think is so cool and so cute. You can make some nice little projects like that. I don't think I showed you the back of that one. And then the stamp set. This is the Noteworthy stamp set. It says, happy birthday, thanks, moments, us, noteworthy, you and me today, capture, inspired, smile, and story. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So Delia, I'm not going to say when you least expect it. You'll get an RAK from me. So anyway, ladies and gents, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And she's on IG. I haven't seen her on Instagram, on YouTube, but she's on Instagram by her name. But anyway, stop by her channel and give her some love and support. And guess what, ladies and gents, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.